Hi Stitchers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look into what makes a stamped cross-stitch kit so fun to stitch. We are going to use this lovely, cozy fall-themed Vervaco table runner kit to show you how it's done. This design features a lovely arrangement of books and autumn leaves. So if you love stitching and reading, this project is absolutely made for you. Let's look at what's inside this kit and learn the best tips and techniques to make your table runner turn out worthy to show off. The kit comes with this high-quality fabric runner. One of the absolute best things about Vervaco's stamped tablecloths is that they come with a beautifully finished decorative border. This means there is no sewing or extra finishing required on your part. Once you are done stitching, it is completely ready to use right away on your table. Next, we have these lovely pre-sorted threads which feature 19 rich, warm autumn colors. This color palette has fall vibes written all over it. We also get this adorable woven label that reads, "I stitch with Vervaco." There is a needle, of course, and a detailed, large-scale paper pattern chart. Before we make our first stitch, we need to point out that you should definitely use an embroidery hoop for this project. Because table runners are made of tightly woven material and not the standard stiff cross-stitch Aida, the fabric has a bit more give. Using a hoop keeps your fabric perfectly taut, which guarantees that your tension stays absolutely even and prevents the fabric from puckering around your beautiful stitches. Just mount a section at a time, make it snug like a drum, and you are ready to go. Now let's talk about how stamped cross-stitch differs from counted cross-stitch, because it is incredibly relaxing. There is no grid counting here. Instead, the design is stamped directly onto the fabric with water-soluble ink, showing you exactly where each stitch needs to go. However, you might notice that the stamping on the fabric is done in a single solid blue color. To place your thread colors correctly, you need to use the detailed paper chart guide. The symbols on the paper chart correspond to your pre-sorted thread numbers. Simply look at the area you want to stitch on your fabric, find the matching symbol, and stitch directly over the printed blue lines. It's the perfect blend of easy, relaxing stitching with a tiny bit of guidance. Because a table runner is meant to be used and loved, it's going to encounter spills, crumbs, and regular trips to the washing machine, which means we need our stitches to be incredibly secure. Our first rule of durability: never start or finish your thread with a knot. Knots can easily pull through fabric in the wash or create bumps on your table. Instead, secure your thread by tucking and weaving your beginning and ending tails firmly under the back of 3 or 4 completed stitches. To keep the back flat and snag-free, always work in systematic rows using the Danish method. Make a full row of half stitches in one direction and then return to complete the crosses. This locks the threads tightly in place. Now, because stamped fabric does not have pre-punched holes like standard Aida, here are a few little secrets to help your stitching look neat. To hide the printed guidelines completely, try piercing your needle just slightly outside the blue printed lines, specifically in the tiny space where the corners of your crosses meet. This covers the ink perfectly while giving you beautifully uniform, connected stitches. But if the ink peeks out here and there, no worries. Once you're done stitching, you can put the runner in cool water with a small amount of mild washing powder. Gently swirl it around and you'll watch the water-soluble print dissolve, only leaving your stitches behind. It takes some time and a lot of love to finish stitching a table runner, so please make sure you follow the washing instructions in the guide so you can enjoy your work for as long as possible. Search for this kit at your local needlepoint shop or reach out to us to see where you can get one for yourself. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. Follow us for more videos like this and be sure to check out our other social media sites for daily inspiration.